What's going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys read in the title of today's video, I just wanted to go over a quick little mid-trading day update. It's currently 12:20 p.m. The markets have been open for a little bit under 3 hours, and I just wanted to go over what stocks are currently trending, what stocks I'm currently watching, as well as the plans that I'm putting in action in order to trade these particular stocks and ETFs. But before I get into the topic of this video, for those of you guys that have yet to join my Discord chat, I just launched it yesterday. We already have about 15 members in that chat. Make sure to join it. The link is down below in my description, as well as the first pinned comment down below in the comment section. Also, join that Facebook group, Strive Smart Strategies, for those of you guys that have yet to do so. We're talking about entrepreneurship, stock market investing, trading, everything dealing with my personal channel, building a community, networking with each other. The link for that is down below in the description as well. I would love to see you guys in both of those communities. Now let's just hop right into the topic of this video. So yesterday, we were talking about pretty much all of these stocks and ETFs here that are in my watch list, and I just wanted to go over a couple of new ones that I've added, and we can start over here with Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So we've seen an insane sell-off in Tesla stock, guys, nearly $100. Actually, we did see a $100 sell-off in Tesla stock because it hit 282 in the pre-market trading hours here earlier today, which is absolutely insane because a little under about like 2 weeks ago, 10 days ago, Tesla was trading at $387. So now we've seen that insane pullback to about $282. Now it's trending right at about the $300 to $280, $290 support level that we've been seeing over the past couple of months, right? So that's why it's been opened to my attention in terms of watching Tesla stock, because we do see it's bounced here at 290 in the past month of trading, right? And now it's hovering around that same exact support level right now. And, it traded a little bit below there at 280, and, it went up to about $310 earlier today, right? About $307. So, Tesla is worth watching to see if it's going to be bouncing at this particular support level right here at 290, or if it's going to break below here and start to push back down to previous support levels at about 245, maybe 275. We just have to keep our eyes on Tesla, but it is a stock that I'm currently watching and potentially looking to take a position in today, right on Monday, August 20th, 2018. So we're going to be watching Tesla very closely. I'm going to set an alert on Tesla at about $305 really quickly right now, just to make sure that Thinkorswim notifies me whenever this stock, or if it does, break above $305. So perfect, alert is set there. Another one that I wanted to talk about that I was also talking about in yesterday's video, which is showing some nice reversal action right now, is ticker symbol ATI. And why I've been watching ATI in particular is due to the nice horizontal pattern that it's been offering. We can also identify a very clear support and a very clear resistance level for this particular stock as drawn out here by these trend lines that I have, right? We notice very common support at about $25, very common resistance at about $30, right? We've noticed the bounce here at about $25, and it's been showing some upwards momentum over the past couple of trading days. If we look over here to the 20-day 1-hour chart, we notice it found its bottom at about $24.50, and over the past 3-4 trading days, it has been pushing up. It's been making higher highs each trading day, ending up a little bit higher than the previous trading day, which is a very good sign of a recovery in terms of ATI, right? So now we're seeing a little break above this 50-day SMA indicator, and that's why I have an alert set here at $26.30, right? And we notice that we're up about 46 cents, almost 2% for this particular trading day today, right? And let's look over to the 20-day 1-hour chart. So we do see, it's a little bit overextended in terms of the price right now. The RSI levels are showing it's a little bit overbought. So a little pullback here would be nice before I take a position in ATI, and a bounce on the EMA line is ideal in terms of identifying that, this one is continuing the uptrend pattern that it's on. It's not reversing. It's not looking to continue, pushing down in price like it has been over the past couple of trading weeks, right? So ATI, again, horizontal pattern. It's looking to bounce up the $25 support level. And today so far, it's up 46 cents. It's showing signs that it's continuing this uptrend reversal pattern that it's been on for the past couple of days. So this is a very good stock to watch in my personal opinion, and that's why it's in my watch list, right? So that's what I'm looking at in terms of ATI. Another one that I want to talk about was Gush. Ticker symbol GUSH. And GUSH, guys, this is an inverse ETF. It's inverse being DRIP, and these two trade based upon XOP, which is a oil and gas-based ETF, XOP. And just to quickly go over this, whenever XOP is going up in price, Gush is going up in price as well. But whenever XOP is going down in price, DRIP is going up in price. And what we notice with XOP here, guys, is that just like ATI, it's been showing some nice recovery over the past couple of trading days. Each day, it's making a higher high and it's closing at a higher price than it did the previous day, right? And today, we noticed it's up 52 cents, up 1.32%. So the upwards momentum with XOP is there, and now it's slowly starting to break above the EMA line. So this is becoming a very attractive play, in my personal opinion, due to the slow break above the EMA line, with the EMA line no longer acting as a resistance point, but now it's slowly starting to break above it in order for it to, slowly start to act as a support level. It has not fully confirmed the break above the EMA, the uptrend pattern yet, but it's slowly starting to get there, which is why I'm keeping a very close eye on XOP and on Gush. And what we notice with Gush, guys, this one is uptrending over time, right? It's uptrending over time. We're seeing it's making higher highs over the long run and making higher lows, right? We noticed the low here at about $16, the low here at about $21, the low here at about $31, here at about $34. Now it had a nice pullback, a nice correction, since it's been pushing up so much in price over the past couple of months. This ETF was due for a big pullback in its price, right? And we've seen that here with the pullback down to about $30, and now it's slowly starting to recover there like I talked about. And if we look over here to DRIP, which is the inverse ETF, this one's a downtrending ETF over time. So somebody looking to swing trade DRIP, in my personal opinion, that's not a very smart idea. Sure, if it's a 2 to 3 to 4 day swing trade, that's fine, right? There is potential in there if you're able to time it correctly, if you're able to get in, at proper times. But if you're looking to swing trade DRIP over the long term, it's proven in the past here that that's not a good idea due to it being a downwards trending ETF. And these ETFs are meant to go to zero, right? And, this one, it was at $19. And look at it now, guys. It hit $5 a couple of weeks back. And now, it's popped up the way it's been doing over the past couple of weeks a couple of times, right? It's popped up here, and then what we noticed after this pop-up, it made another lower low. It popped up here, what we noticed, another lower low. Pop up, lower low. Now that it's popped up here, my personal prediction is that it's going to make another lower low. It's going to push back down, possibly to the mid-6, low-6, maybe high $5 levels, which is obviously going to push Gush up. And that's why I'm pretty much looking to, swing trade Gush at the right particular price, right? And we see that here at $33. I've set an alert, and that's probably where I'm going to consider putting money into Gush. But again, patience is key, especially if you want to be in this game for a while. We cannot rush things. You got to be patient. You got to wait for the right entry points and just stick to your guns, guys. If something that does not go your way, originally, don't trade it, right? Don't trade it. So that's what I'm looking at in terms of Gush. Some other ones that I want to talk about. BIDU. BIDU. This is one that somebody just shouted out in my in the Discord chat. Again, link down below in the description. First pinned comment in the comment section down below. This one's BIDU. Ticker symbol BIDU. And this is another one that I really like. It's kind of like ATI in a sense that it's a horizontal pattern. We can clearly draw very nice support levels here and a very common resistance point right here. So what we notice with BIDU, like I said, it's on a horizontal pattern. It's bounced at about $215, once, twice, 3 times, right? And it's topped off at about $270 once, a little bit higher here, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So this pretty much gives us a very clear understanding of, how much potential for profit does this stock offer, right? Since it has very clear supports and resistance levels, we can just draw it out right here and see that it offers about 20%, 22% potential for profit in terms of how much money you can make if you trade the stock. And the very attractive thing in terms of BIDU that I noticed right now is that it's trading above the EMA line, right? It's no longer being rejected. It's no longer downtrending. Instead, it's bouncing on the EMA line with the EMA line acting as a support level. And now it's slowly broken above the 50-day SMA indicator. The SMA indicator is a very important tool and indicator to use to really understand where the price is moving. And now that it's trading above this indicator, the indicator is acting as a support level, that's a very good sign that BIDU is slowly starting to trend back up in price. So I'm going to set an alert for BIDU at about $200.30. Quickly here, create an alert, $230. I want Thinkorswim to notify me Mark is at or above $230. Perfect. It's up about $3.30 today, up about 1.5%. So the upwards momentum is there in terms of this particular stock. So great call out to you, man. Thank you for shouting this one out. I really like it. It fits my criteria, so that's why I featured it on the channel. So that's what I'm looking at in terms of BIDU. And what other ones were we talking about? We were talking about McDonald's. This one's up about 83 cents today as well. But again, this one has been showing some bearish patterns over the past couple of weeks, like we mentioned in yesterday's video, and it's going to be important to see whether or not McDonald's will be able to break out of this wedge that I was able to draw here for you guys. We notice, it's topped off here at 180, topped off here at 170, and now it's at 160, so it's making lower highs in terms of this 180-day 4-hour chart, but it also is making higher lows here, right? So it's in a wedge right now. It's in a wedge. So we want to see if it breaks above here. And that's why I have $163.50 alert set on McDonald's, because I want to see a break above here in order for me to swing trade it maybe from about 165 up to about 170, because I do see potential in McDonald's stock between those two levels, right? So that is what I'm looking at and doing in terms of today, midday trading. It's about 12:35 p.m. now, guys, and I'm still eyeing up some trades. And the whole idea here, guys, is to keep an eye on your watch list throughout the day, see how the stocks are moving, see what patterns are forming, and draw trend lines, guys. Draw a bunch of trend lines, draw support levels, draw, trend lines like this to really just identify, like, okay, McDonald's is in a wedge right now. We want to see if it breaks above here and pushes back up, or if we want to see if it gets rejected here and pushes down, right? The whole idea is to just keep an eye on your watch list, keep adding stocks into it, taking stocks out of it that are not performing to your particular strategy. And, that's how you're going to become a very good swing trader, and that's how you're going to be able to build a very strong watch list on a day-to-day basis, right? And that's the whole entire idea of becoming a successful swing trader. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to join the Discord chat and the Facebook group, both of those links are down below in my description. The Discord chat is also the first pinned comment down below in the comment section. So make sure to join those two communities, guys. I'm on there, very active on there on a daily basis, talking to you guys. And I really want to just build a community and network with a bunch of other traders, a bunch of other people that are interested in investing, in stock market trading, all the different things that we talk about on this channel. So make sure you get into there. Also, follow me on Instagram and follow me on Twitter. Those are both linked down below in the description as well. And make sure to do your own research when it comes down to investing and trading in the stock market. Do not buy or sell based off of my opinion or anybody else's opinion out there, because that's not how you're going to become a self-sufficient trader over time. And that's the whole entire idea of this channel, my whole goal in bringing you guys daily content. So again, if you guys found value in this video, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.